At Sanrazan, to get back on the footplate means to get back to school.
Fireman, he sits that side, but mostly doesn't sit because he's got lots of work to do. He has to shovel coal from there into the fire. He has to check that everything's okay. Now this pressure gauge there, it's measuring 1,000, just over 1,100 kilopascals. What do you think that is? What pressure is it measuring? The steam pressure. 1,100 kilopascals. Remember we said atmospheric pressure at sea level is 100 kilopascals. That's 1,100. It's high pressure. And that's what makes the steam go. What makes the tank go. It's a big tank with boiler tubes, fire tubes going through. You can actually see the tubes there if you look. The fire goes through the tubes and all around there is water. That's how it heats the water. That glass there, that's actually the water level inside the boiler. There's another one here, the tube, so that if one, it's so important, if one blocks up, you've always got another one to check. Because if you let the water go too low, then those boiler tubes get too hot and they can be damaged. But if they're covered with water, then the heat is going into the water all the time and they don't get overheated. And there's a steam operated pump down there that keeps topping up the boiler from the tank at the back. One of those levers there, when it operates that, it sort of shakes the grate and gets ash out of the fire. This is the driver always sits on that side. That's his main control. When he pulls that up, that's called a steam regulator. When he pulls that up, it lets steam to the pistons and it starts going. The top is steam, and then that dome, the dome there is called a steam dome. The steam goes up into there. There's an internal pipe there that takes it from there down to the pistons. This is for forward or reverse. There's a system there that changes it from forward to reverse. That's the brakes. And that's really the controls. And then everything on a locomotive works by steam. So you've got one of these is to the generator for the lights for the train that works by steam.
So now is the time to put the theory into practice, but it's not as easy as it seems. As the locomotive pulls forward, it immediately goes into a violent spin.
And brake.